Hi everyone, it's Sandy Reese with StampACrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Got another great project to share with you today using the Relaxing Waterside bundle and the coordinating designer paper. We're on a summer theme for the next few projects, so super excited about that. And let's get started. Okay, so what I love about this bundle is it gives a nice little kind of waterside relaxation thing going on with the beach chair. We got some reeds and birds, so you can build your own kind of ocean view and then add some of these. Plus we've got a little book, a cup of coffee, and some seagulls to go in the background. Then the dies cut out the stamped chair, but they also cut out a fun little chair that you can piece together. Now, today I'm just using the designer paper and some of the sentiments. So let's get our supplies. I've taken a half sheet of the thick white cardstock and I cut about 1 1/4 inches over on the front flap just to make kind of a little fun fold. You know, I like to switch it up when I can. And then we have some of the Waterside Retreat paper. This is a plaid one. It has the sky with the seagulls on that side. And then I've already glued this down. I got ahead of myself and I'm all blue already. Some of the wood grain paper in the suite and I've glued it to some gray granite. So I also am gluing this one to the gray granite. Let's go ahead and do that. And I've just done a narrow border here. And I will post measurements and supplies on my blog. Now I'm taking some of the gray granite ribbon and I'm just going to tie it. This is just to give it a little more texture. I'm going to tie it to this strip right here in just a knot. We're just going to do a knot. Okay. Grab my snips. We're just going to trim off the ends there. Okay, and then let's glue these to the card front. This is a very quick card. So easy to do several. We did this card last month in class as a Father's Day if you want it. So we have the Father's Day option because we do have Happy Father's Day, and then I had Relaxed Dad on the inside. Now Father's Day is over, so we're just going to do a birthday card. We'll get this glued down, and then we'll do our stamping. What I did was cut out a couple of fish and a life jacket. And then I have the 3 banner punch and I cut out a little banner. And I'm going to grab my sentiments once I find where I put them. Right here. And we'll just use some gray granite ink. And on the little banner, we're going to stamp this, "Today is your day." And then "Have a great birthday." And I'm going to stamp that on the inside. Oh, it's a little messy. That's okay. Not too bad. I'm going to take the Misty Moonlight ink and stamp these reeds. Now these could, oh, I stamped them in gray. That's okay. You could do the opposite too. I'm just going to add this for fun. Some blue reeds right there. And so we have some blue on our fish. And then I'll show you the other card in a minute, what we did using the chair. So we have this. I'm going to glue down the life jacket right there. And then let's pop up, got a partial sheet of dimensionals here I've cut apart. I'm going to pop up our sentiment and our 2 fish. Just like that. Fish. think I'll do this fish going this way. Where's our other fish? He's facing the other way. Okay, might make him over here just a little bit. And then for our embellishments, I'm using the natural matte dots. I like these because they're not sparkly. They're really good for a masculine card. Got a little extra glue there. So I'm going to do one there. I'm using the green. And I'm going to do one up there. Isn't that, I mean, that's done. Isn't that cute? Just great. Now let me show you the one we did using the chair. So we used the same wood grain here, but for more of a beachy feel as opposed to the fishing. So I gave everybody the choice. And then if they picked this one, they got an extra piece of white and they stamped the chair and the reeds and then die cut those. And then we just did have a great birthday on the inside. And today is your day. Have a great birthday, or you could do relaxed dad. So either one. So I thought this was a very easy fun fold to do. Very cute. Goes 2 different ways with the stamp set, the dies, and the designer paper. So just remember, when you spend $50 or more with me online, you'll get a kit of that month's card class projects for free. And coming in July, we have some new online exclusives. We have some florals. We have some cute, animals. We have Halloween, some fall, some Christmas. Lots of great new products coming out beginning of July. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.